Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create a Stripe account for non-US residents in 2025. So, creating a Stripe account as a non-US resident is possible and relatively straightforward. Stripe supports many countries, but some regions may have additional requirements. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up an account successfully. Step 1 is checking Stripe availability. Visit the Stripe's supported countries page, that is stripe.com/in/global, where you can see the global availability for Stripe. So, Stripe is currently supported in 46 countries with more to come. Once Stripe is supported in your country, you'll be able to sell to customers anywhere in the world. Ensure that Stripe is available in your country. If Stripe isn't directly supported, consider using Stripe Atlas for business registration in the US. Now, step 2 is preparing your documents. So first of all, prepare a valid government issued ID like passport, national ID or driver's license, proof of address, and business information like sole proprietary, partnership, or company registration details if applicable. Now, for unsupported countries, you can use a legal entity in a Stripe supported country. For example, registering your business in the US using a Stripe Atlas or another service. So you can go to the search bar and type in Stripe Atlas. Now click on Stripe Atlas link and it is going to take you to this page. Now you can click on Start Your Company. Now simply enter your email, click on Create Account on this page. After this, it is going to take you to another page, that is Stripe's dashboard. So you'll have to basically verify your email on the next step. Simply open Gmail on your PC or mobile phone, then verify your email by clicking the Verify Email button. Now as you can see, we are on the first step after verifying our email. So you'll have to basically tell them about your company and founders, start running your business, and they will have your EIN and file your 83B election by themselves. So click on Let's Go. Now you'll have to just follow the prompts on all these steps. So this is structure, name, description, founders, ownership, roles, tax ID, summary, and sign. So you'll have to basically complete all these steps, choose the option, follow the prompts, and you would have successfully set up your Stripe Atlas account, after which you'll be able to use Stripe even in countries where Stripe is not available. So you'll have to basically fill out all these information, and after you'll be signed up, you will have to add a bank account. So your bank account must support receiving international payments and must be in a Stripe supported currency. For unsupported countries, consider using TransferWise, Wise, Payoneer, or US-based virtual bank account like Mercury or Stripe Atlas banking partners. Now, you'll have to basically add your bank details like IBAN or SWIFT code and make sure that the name on bank account matches your Stripe account. Then, upload the required document during the sign-up process on Stripe Atlas and ensure that all information matches your legal ID and bank details. Provide additional details about your business if requested, for example, expected transaction volumes, type of products, or services sold. Then run a test payment. So you can use Stripe's test environment to ensure your account is functioning correctly. Once your account is verified, integrate Stripe with your website, e-commerce platform like Shopify, or your mobile app. Now, I also have some important tips for you. For unsupported country, use Stripe Atlas to establish a US-based business and a bank account and ensure compliance with tax regulations in your home country. Now, if you're a non-US resident and your country falls under the list of global availability countries from Stripe, what you'll have to simply do is go to the new tab, type in Stripe sign up, then click on sign up and create a Stripe account link. After which, you'll be taken over to this page where you can easily enter your email, full name, password, then choose your country that is outside of US and click on create account. Now if you see this small warning, that means you'll have to click on request an invite link, and you can only sign up on Stripe by an invite. So simply enter your work email, choose your country or region, click on continue, after which Stripe will send a message to your email where you can easily click on the link and sign up on Stripe after a few days. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.